Welcome to this new section of the course. You have already seen me creating a few images with Gemini earlier in the course, and now it is time to get into the details. We are going to take Gemini's image and video tools for a proper test drive. And I think this is one of the most visual parts of the whole course. We will start with image generation and not just the basics. I'm going to show you how to use techniques like contextual blending, where you combine reference images to create something completely new, and iterative refinement, where you direct Gemini like a photographer, adjusting one element at a time until you get exactly the shot you want. We'll also look at visual synthesis, where you hand Gemini multiple ingredients and let it build a single seamless scene. From there, we will head into what I call the editing suite, where we will use Gemini to work with images you already have. Think restoring old photos, turning rough sketches into product shots, and making precise edits using Gemini's built-in markup tool. We will then look at building complete visual systems, infographics, flow diagrams, and assets adapted for different platforms and screen sizes. We will finish this section with the tutorial on video creation. And of course, I will also share my top prompting tips, the practical recommendations I have developed from working with Gemini and other AI image and video generation software that will help you get better results. All right, let's get creating.